Do you need to fill units and screen prospects? You can do much of that process automatically with property management software, where you can easily communicate with your tenants and offer a portal that allows them to pay rent directly from their smartphones. With the right online property management software, you can transform how you manage your properties. But how do you know which property management tool to choose? Let's break down a list of the most important features to look for in an excellent online property management software. That way, you can make an informed decision about which tool is best for you. We will also go over a list of some of the best property management software on the market. And at the end, we'll wrap it up with answers to some of the most frequently asked questions. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Santiago with DoorLoop. Before we get started, let me remind you that I'm not an attorney, so I cannot give you any legal advice, financial advice, and yes, I am biased because I work for DoorLoop. That being said, let's get started with 6 of the main features you should be looking for in online property management software. Full accounting suite. You should be on the lookout for tools that offer more than just the ability to collect rent from within the software. You should look for a tool that allows you to run custom financial reports, collect rent by different payment methods, including ACH and credit cards, as well as to easily do a document search with paperless options. You also want to make sure that it allows you to manage all your property accounting with a complete chart of accounts. Tenant communication and management tools. Tenant communication can be a pain if you don't have a tool that centralizes all communications into one place, which is precisely what a good property management tool allows you to do. The right tool should have a built-in CRM and tenant portal, allowing you to communicate with tenants in-app, offer renters insurance, complete rental applications and screening, and communicate with your team for service requests. Owner portal. A great online property management solution should easily give you tools, including an owner portal so they can get easy access to financial information on their properties, the ability to print checks for owners in-app, and financial reports to easily print and go. Marketing and application tools. No tool available can fully automate marketing, but a great property management software should offer valuable tools, such as Easy IDX website builder with custom branding, so that you can schedule property showings online, complete applications online directly from within the app, and automatically screen tenants. Maintenance management. Your property management solution should allow you to accept maintenance requests online, track progress on work orders, edit work orders with attachments and notes, issue work orders directly to vendors and pay them. And it should also allow you to e-file 1099s for those vendors. Quality support and software training. The final thing your online property management tool should do is to deliver all of those features with world-class support and quality training to help you get started. Some examples of the features you should look for include a dedicated account manager, data migration, free virtual training, fast, responsive, free support, and help-centered documentation. Basically, free support, training, and documentation. Many property management tools try to charge extra for special training, or priority support, or onboarding fees to get started. A great property management tool should include these training documentations and support within the cost of the software. Okay, so at this point, you might be wondering, what software offers all of these features? And look, we know that you barely have enough time as it is, so we took the time to put together this video with a list of the best options out there. This list is organized mainly based on the type of property that you're managing, with other considerations as well, such as your budget. So here are 5 of the best online property management software tools. DoorLoop. DoorLoop is a complete full-service property management software designed to offer every tool you need to manage your properties, whether it's one property or 1,000. It's designed with ease of use, speed, and world-class support in mind. DoorLoop is the only tool on this list that offers 100% of the features that I just mentioned. Those features include a complete property accounting suite, which takes multiple payment methods, automated rent payments, chart of accounts, and a lot more. A tenant portal, where tenants can pay their rent from their smartphones and easily communicate in-app, on maintenance requests, and more. The owner portal, which allows you to print owner checks and allows owners to get financial reports daily. Marketing tools, Their marketing tools provide automated listings, IDX-based website builder, and more. Maintenance management allows users to create and issue work orders to vendors in-app, to edit those with notes and attachments, and to communicate with the tenants. World-class support. With DoorLoop's world-class support, you get a response within minutes and a dedicated account manager trained to help you get the most from the software. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution, DoorLoop can handle everything you need to manage your portfolio. It's just like having a team of invaluable assistants behind you at all times. DoorLoop pricing. DoorLoop is 50% off your first 2 months. After that, prices start as low as $49 a month for your first 20 units. MRI Commercial Management. It's great for commercial property management. MRI Commercial is designed to offer a robust set of features, tailored specifically to help you manage your commercial properties. The software user interface can feel a bit dated and more complicated to use than other options. But its feature list is one of the best if you're looking for a solution tailored to commercial property. Features include reporting tools, lease templates, work order management, online bill pay, and much more. MRI Commercial pricing. MRI Commercial doesn't offer its pricing publicly, though it's been known to be on the enterprise end of pricing. So you'll need to contact MRI directly to schedule a demo and learn more about their pricing. WildApricot. WildApricot is an HOA management software designed for associations. If you manage condos, co-ops, or an HOA community, WildApricot could be a good fit. With WildApricot, you don't get calendar management or work order management, which are features that some community managers depend on. But you do get a suite of other features. Their features include member database, event creation and management, committee management, website management, WildApricot pricing. WildApricot's basic pricing plan is based on contacts, not units, given its focus on community management. Its basic plan starts at $40 per month for up to 100 contacts and goes up to $600 per month for up to 50,000 contacts. Condo Control. While some of the previous options are easily used to manage properties like condos and co-ops, we wanted to include another condo-specific option on this list. Condo Control is a property accounting software designed for condo and co-ops communities. If you're looking for a property management software that's a fit for HOA communities, but has a few of the more property management specific features, this is a good option. Their features include payment processing, tracking violations, community management tools such as bulletin boards, voting, and event management. They also offer security and concierge features such as visitor parking management. Condo Control pricing. Condo Control offers multiple pricing tiers, but like MRI Commercial, they don't list their pricing publicly. So you'll need to contact the Condo Control sales team directly for more information. TenantCloud. The budget option on our list is TenantCloud, which is a rental property management software that offers a limited free plan. Their features include online rent payments, basic reporting, work order management, vendor payments. TenantCloud pricing. TenantCloud offers a free basic plan for up to 75 units, but with many features in a typical online payment property management software being gated. Their lowest level paid tier comes in at $9 per month for up to 150 units and $35 per month for up to 500 units. Okay, so let's wrap it up with some frequently asked questions. What is the best online property management software? As you can see, there are many great property management solutions out there. What matters more than if a tool is the best, though, is whether it's a good fit for you and your needs. For example, if you're looking for the right combination of features such as ease of use, speed, and world-class support, then consider DoorLoop as your all-in-one property management tool of choice. DoorLoop offers a comprehensive list of features while focusing on taking the load off of your back. Is QuickBooks suitable for landlords? If you're looking for a low-investment accounting solution for landlords, QuickBooks could work. However, as it isn't designed with property management in mind, you'll quickly notice several limitations, such as having to create both tenants and properties as customers. Okay, so that is all for now. Remember, if you want to get access to more videos such as how and when to issue a notice of abandonment to your tenants, or the top 10 most important landlord-tenant laws to always remember, make sure you subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with your team and your friends, and as always, thanks for watching.